far as the probe is concerned, which is now intensified, we get you the details because the holiday over news that tightens over Prajwal Ravanna. He's been out over 30 days now, ever since the 27th of April elections happened, and that also included from where he's representing the Hassan seat. But now, when it comes to his investigation, it is the end of its holiday, it is the end of the vacation time, because now that he has been placed under arrest, the medical examination will be conducted next. We have the inside scoop as well right now. Neha is getting us, because we are told that his phone and his passport, Neha, is likely to be seized. Of course, there is also the center that has been asking a response from Prajwal Ravanna to answer as to why his diplomatic passport should not be cancelled.
Well, Amita, that's absolutely right. Of course, the SIT that has, taken custody of Prajwal Ravanna since last night right now is currently, of course, in the process of seizing what we know, his phone, his passport, any other crucial evidence that they can right now from him, that would, of course, aid their investigation. And this is extremely important here because remember that, of course, right now this was the missing link in the entire case. While the police had, of course, while the police had taken the statements of the witnesses, while they had summoned others who they suspected were involved in these crimes, they had questioned them, they had grilled them, they had made a lot of other developments in this case. The biggest missing link, of course, was Prajwal Ravanna himself. And now that he's arrived, the police would not like to, allow for any lapses in this case. We're being told that, extremely senior officers, of course, not just from the SIT, but from other departments as well, are reportedly going to be roped in now for a part of this investigation, because this is something that, of course, they wouldn't like any lapses in over here. Having said that, after his phone and his other documents are seized, the police, of course, is also going to be scrutinizing what he did in that 1 month that he was, in fact, abroad there, and whether, there was, of course, any evidence possibly that was destroyed. Was there any tampering of evidence?
Because we've seen the SIT also conducting searches as far as the MP quarters are concerned in Hassan, and many of those things that were there at that house were taken into their custody.